Saka na Kenya Kastrata kina mwana Kenya Kosaka Saka manyana Saka mashi
I'm your host, Portia aka Labush. Today I'm with Zero from all the way from Polokwane. How are you, Zero?
Every zero, we wanna party.
Zero, I'm inspired by your outfit. Outfit yako.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your outfit.
Yeah.
What inspires you to go kanje?
So Renale Gosha Varga Pascal Sorobene.
What?
There's a song
Yeah.
that we are working on. It's out, we are pushing it, restricted the music video and everything. Get Pascal Sorobene. So that song on its own, it's a vintage song. It's like yeah. So that's why you wanna rap it. Yeah.
Oh, it's a vintage song.
Yes.
Oh, that's why you guys are wearing like this. It's very nice. Like ninkumbuza bomkhulu bami and stuff like that. You understand?
Yeah.
You understand about it? So what can we expect from you today?
Bona, it's very to me, it's very lefa, it's very moody, it's very lefa majita agar ka fela tswana.
Yeah.
Robola ya sete, bicycle sorobeye, ratole fedile, the combo prayer. There's a lot of songs that you know, but you didn't know that they are from us. So now we are here to claim the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
They're here to claim. They're here to make their name.
Yeah.
Zero, not his colleagues and everyone. So guys, please listen to them, follow them. But opening is our stage.
Cheers,
That's the main thing. A stage.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah.
Bafethu every zero. We wanna let's bafethu ka October release the EP J2 ke nna le Tumi re alwa wa clutching. Wa clutching na le Tumi ka di EP. Good music, quality la tseba. Every hololo. Au yelelele.
Thank you, Zero. We will follow you. This is Party Slayers with Labush. Swenko. We're slaying all the way. This is Party Slayers with Labush. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm your host, Portia aka Labush.